some household chores. I just collected some firewood for my fire, so I'm just gonna set it down here. Anyway, I wanted to introduce myself to all of you because I know that I have some new friends out there. So I'm gonna, if you just give me just a second here. There we go, and I can't think with that racket. Oh my word. Well, I want to give you a happy Heidi-ho. It's Miss Richfield 1981 from Richfield, Minnesota, where the winter's a little chilly, especially for those of us who have had our heat disconnected while we catch up on bills. So I want to do a little sharing with you, and I can't have you that far back. Can you come a little bit closer? Come close to the fire. Oh, it's the holiday season. Doesn't that warm you and want you to get a little bit closer? Oh, that's perfect, because I wanted to show you some wonderful things. I'm decorating the trailer for the holidays, and I've decorated my box as well. That reminds me that all my holiday crap is in here. So anyway, I've got I've got Frosty here. There's Mr. Frosty with looks like two kind of close friends, kind of a nice little threesome for the holidays, hopping down the bunny trail. So then I've got my baby Jesus pillow that I always put out this time of year, which was made by a gal in my church who died right after she gave it to me, so I didn't have to pay for it. And my favorite album of the entire year, the Jim Neighbors Christmas album, and I know most of you probably already have this, but if you don't, just drop me a line, I'll make a cassette tape for you. And all sorts of different odds and ends. I don't know what that's doing in here. But anywho, I wanted to tell you what makes me the most joyous and happy during the holiday season. It's this right here, balls. Yeah, it is. That's what I know. I'm just surrounded by them. They're on my mantle. They're on my tree. They're here. They're there. I mean, they're in all different sizes. These two blue ones are always stuck together. I'm not sure why that is. But I do know that balls aren't just for the holiday season. They're for all year round. And this spring, I'm going to be part of a very special ball I want to tell you about. It's the Diva Ball, the 30th anniversary for the Denver Gay Men's Chorus. Pretty special time, 30 years, just think they formed a year before I was born. And it's $100, which I know sounds like a lot of money, but it's totally worth it, and many of you are probably going to be losing your homes over the next year or so you're not going to have a mortgage payment, so why not spend it on a nice activity like this? The Diva Ball is going to be Saturday, April 21st, and it's going to include dinner, and a live and silent auction, cake and champagne, but it's all going to be crowned by something very special, a concert that evening by the Denver Gay Men's Chorus. And me, Miss Richfield, 1981. I'm hoping they pay my Greyhound ticket out there, Minnesota, all the way out to Denver. That's going to be expensive, but it's going to be worth it, and I hope you'll come and join us on Saturday, April 21st. You can get tickets after the first of the year at www.rmarts.org. How's that for a catchy title? Anyway, well, just get the information. I'm going to have to run. I got to get these balls separated. And I hope that you'll join us. Now, don't forget, okay, we'll see you soon. Oh, grind.